Starfish, or sea stars, are beautiful marine animals found in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. All starfish resemble stars, and though the most common have only 5 arms, some of these animals can grow up to 40 arms. Sea stars are not fish. Although sea stars live underwater and are commonly called starfish, they are not true fish. They do not have gills, scales, or fins like fish do. Sea stars also move quite differently from fish. While fish propel themselves with their tails, sea stars have tiny tube feet to help them move along. Because they are not classified as fish, scientists prefer to call starfish sea stars. Sea stars can regenerate arms. Amazingly, sea stars can regenerate lost arms, which is useful if a sea star is injured by a predator. This means that some species can even regenerate an entirely new sea star from just one arm and a portion of the star's central disk. This won't happen too quickly, though. It takes about a year for an arm to grow back. Sea stars do not have blood. Instead of blood, sea stars have a circulatory system made up primarily of seawater. Seawater is pumped into the animal's water vascular system through its sieve plate. This is a sort of trapdoor called a madreporite, often visible as a light-colored spot on the top of the starfish. Sea stars have eyes. Sea stars have an eye spot at the end of each arm. This means that a 5-armed sea star has 5 eyes, while the 40-armed sun star has 40 eyes. Each sea star eye is very simple and looks like a red spot. It doesn't see much detail, but it can sense light and dark, which is just enough for the environments the animals live in.